In this short video, we're going to learn how to seed and slice a bell pepper like a boss. Okay, seeding and slicing bell pepper is pretty straightforward. If, like this one, if it won't lay flat, we have to remove the stem. First thing is remove the stem so that it will lay flat. Next thing we're going to do is we're simply going to slice off the four sides of, if there are sides, slice off the four sides of the bell pepper, right alongside the outer layer. That's pretty much it. This is what you're left with. Then, with the soft side up, you simply julienne the, or slice the bell pepper. That is pretty much it. As usual, it is a privilege to be able to share this time with you. Thanks for letting me do that. If you found value, shoot me a quick like, and thanks for watching.